50 gram of pancake mix in a bowl. Add 40 ml of water and mix well to form a smooth batter. If required, add an egg for extra protein. Heat a pan on medium flame and grease with oil or butter. Pour the batter into the pan and cover. Cook both sides 3 to 4 minutes at low flame. Check doneness. Serve hot with honey, maple syrup, peanut butter or fruits. Nutrivise Xtreme Millet Pancake Mix Strawberry Flavor. Join the millet revolution for a sustainable future. Order now in our website, also available on Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho